I saw it start. I saw we build here. Piece, and small, and here and there, and get everything up and running.
My last song. Rock the song.
Yeah, man, if you said Big Bad Emperor Sound, it's a 40s Freddy Dread, Naj Montana, and Shooter. I also will and pop off them dub tune, yeah, you know, they call him for no say this sound don't play. And this is Lila IK. Emperor Sound, I go slap with the song tonight. Oh, Lord, no paradise. Tell what the word of them cry. Hey, Emperor Sound, run up in the bar and just kick over them turntable. But a certain jump on this, you really not able to pick on your gun. As some brothers are laughing, and you heard that sound. In the night, you pray against the simple life, but then some peace of mind. Everybody stepping up and going over every single night. This is the line, and Papa has to stop us all tonight. And Papa sound not feel too far. So then my things we go wrong. You can shoot to your body. Your best.
It up. You know what I mean? After the first 2 weeks in January, you know, said nothing else can go and go out. You know what I mean? Up and running, you don't know. Mama son the team, think about yourself, you don't know. And I have a good 6-7 weeks at the shooter. You know what I mean? So I just acknowledge it and make it right. Metrographic.
Balance.
Bad people there.
Hey, Father Metro. Hey, Metrographic sound. What sound? Defense one chain. Watch her down. Oh yeah. Where them a run up in a sound clash part. And can't find a one dub fi kill a sound star. Well, if you're this Metrographic sound boy brain a fi go fly. When sound clash start, we no see them. No plate pop off, yeah, we ready for the killing. Metrographic killing machine, now we willing. Ready for kill a jump on tonight, man, I bury them. When sound clash start, we no see them. No plate pop off, yeah, we ready for the killing. Metrographic killing machine, now we willing. For murder a jump on tonight, man, I bury them. If you want to bet, we see we kill a sound fast. Sound boy, you make up them face and I make talk. But we are killing machine, we no take talk. Say we burn 2 face with them dead plants. None of them can stop for a Metro shine.
Idolize us, so you don't know. Respect and Joe. Hot boy, look at myself, I hear production. I join, I place the artist. We video shoot, decompress. You know what I mean? You know, in a couple minutes, whole heap of bright lights and a whole heap of things. Big up all of the people that might go there. You know what I mean? For make sure the thing alright and good. You know what I mean? The video man and the picture man, you know what I mean?
Some sound boys and treacheries who wants to be the same people. And for I don't worry about it, no. As long as we know what's in our hearts, when this a sound clash start, a sound clash we gon' burn. I hear you walking and you're talking and you're getting proud of people that you're the champion now. But when you're walking at the dance hall tonight, yes, you're gonna hear the crowd of people sing, stay. Emperor, you are the champion, yes.
Yeah, all of them people that's on. DJ man, I saw one gun, the man. Video shoot. Oh, yeah, DJ man.